Hi everyone, my name is Gerald Britton. Welcome to my course, Managing SSRS Reporting Environments. I'm an IT specialist at a top 5 bank and a Pluralsight author. In this course, we are going to look at SQL Server reporting services from an administrator's viewpoint. We will start with a finished report and see how to deploy, update, schedule, and manage it in a production environment. Some of the major topics that we will cover include installing and configuring reporting services on a Windows host, customizing the web portal to match a company brand, setting up report subscriptions and data sources, scheduling report dataset caching and snapshots, and managing jobs and automating deployment. By the end of this course, you'll know how to deploy and manage an SSRS web portal and the reports that it serves. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with basic report development in Visual Studio and how to use SQL Server Management Studio to run stored procedures and view results. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into other courses in the Pluralsight Building Reports with SSRS path, covering topics such as writing reports, securing access, and developing KPI dashboards. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about managing SSRS with the Managing SSRS Reporting Environments course here at Pluralsight.